What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and welcome back to another video. You join me on a very early Saturday morning as I have a long drive ahead of me. I'm driving all the way to Essex today, which is around 3 hours, to pick up a a used door for the Fiesta ST. I'm going to jump in the van and head down and get it. It is a long drive, however, I don't mind driving long distance for the right part. This part is in very good condition, and once I've got it and once I am back, despite the weather, I will aim to change the door today, as I do have the MOT on Monday and I want to get the car all finished over the weekend. So let's jump in the van and head off. Back home then, after around 6 hours on the road to pick up the door. The door is in incredible condition, and as you can see, I have pulled the Fiesta in. The weather's pretty bad today, so I've pulled it under here. The plan now is to get that door off. Thankfully this door was on the car it came off, so I watched the guy take it off, so I know exactly how that's done. So removing that door shouldn't be too hard, and then obviously I can get the new one on, which I'm looking forward to. And I also managed to get, it's down there, that piece goes underneath the bumper and fills in the holes in the wheel arches. So that is pretty much the last piece to go on. And of course, the two fog light surrounds at the bottom of the bumper, they were delivered today, so I can also install them. I cannot wait. Once these parts are installed, the car is going to look pretty much finished. So I managed to get the door off, and I couldn't resist a little drive with no door. I feel a bit like Jay-Z from that music video where they took all the doors off the Maybach.
New watch alert, few blows, or the big face rollie, I got two of those, arm out the window through the city.
Right, now it's time for the hard bit, which is to put the door back on. Next day then guys, and I did work into the night to get the Fiesta finished. The car is pretty much all done. There's only a couple of bits of body work that I will probably drop off on Thursday, and I did manage to replace the driver's door. However, I was so excited to do so that I forgot to film it. So sorry about that. If I give you a quick walk around the car, you will see that it's come a long way from the day it was delivered. I've got the fog lights in, and they all work very nice, and the lower grille that was already in. Little bits in the wheel arch, they're all buttoned up, but the driver's door is on and it just looks fantastic. It is in such good condition, so much better than the old one. And as you can see, I've installed the new lock, which comes with 2 metal blade keys. It's in there nice and flush. There are no scratches, no kind of scrapes along the edge of the door, and it works perfectly. So that is a massive, massive relief. I've just remembered I've got to put the front number plate on. Genuine mistake. I genuinely forgot it's not me trying to drive a car with no number plate. But yes, the car's looking absolutely brilliant, and I cannot wait to drive it. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I am having so much fun rebuilding this car. However, there is something I haven't told you guys. As with most things, this car, there is a fault which I have been keeping a secret from you guys. There is a fault which is preventing it going on the road, shall I say? So make sure you stay tuned for the next video, which I'm going to film now, because I will reveal what is wrong with this car. The next steps for this car is to go get its MOT, its wheel alignment, and then once that's done, I can insure it and drive it on the road. So I'm very excited for that. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on any updates coming with this car and the all-important what is wrong with this car. It's all together, but there is a big flaw with it. I will reveal all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.